Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Bobby. Like I said, if you guys enjoy tips and tricks on eBay dropshipping, uh, just post me a comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Alright, so this is part 2 of how to build a seller's list. So in the first part, if you guys didn't see it, let me drop a link up there just for you guys to see. So now I'm just going to go and dive right in. So I went on eBay and I looked for a trampoline. It looks nice out. People like trampolines. Filter this by buy it now. Drop shippers are usually drop shipping things that are new and free shipping. Okay. Fast and free. Alright, so check this out. It says one left. That looks like a drop shipping. So, right click, search image. That from Home Depot. Looks like this guy drop shipping from Home Depot. No, not it. Alright. Next one. Oh yeah. Why does that say that? Upper bounce trampoline enclosure safety net. Well, this is safety net, not that itself. So he is drop shipping from. This is Hey Needle, one of the companies that are known for drop shipping. So let's not follow Hey Needle. Let's go to another one. How about this 12 feet round trampoline? Okay. You don't want to mess with this guy. Look, he has 379,000 feedback. So let's go to the next one. Got something like this. Same thing. Camping survivals, 171,000 feedback. Alright. Even though he's a drop shipper, we're not messing with these guys, okay? Skybound. How about this one? Okay, 6,000. Right click, search on image. Okay, let's see. So this guy is drop shipping on Amazon? From Amazon? It's the same. That looks the same. Alright, that's the model number. 14 feet. It's 15 feet. So what we can do is find the MPN back. Oh, what happened? Sometimes this is the title of the product here. Let's see. Alright, let's abort this mission here. Oh, next one. Takes that long. I'm not doing this. Alright, how about something like dresser. Oh, look at these. I guess you could pick any of these. My filter. Buy it now. New. And free shipping. Perfect. Alright. Let's see what this is from. The white background indicates usually it's from a hay needle. Let's not mess with hay needle. About a Finch 6. Okay, this dresser. Alright. Let's copy and paste this description. Oh, I like to search on Google. And it says Walmart. Okay. Sure it's the same thing here. Look the same? Sure it does. Alright, so let's add this person to the sellers list. Walmart. Okay, so 109. Let's go into my eBay New Life auction. It's going to be a fixed price. This is 2.9 and 30 cents, which is the US. What else? Store subscription. Store, I have an anchor store. Buy now price is, let's say, 109. 109.89. Item costs 99. Net profit 249. That must be tax exempt. Or so. Must be tax exempt. 109. Buy now price 109. Item cost 99. Interesting. See what else this person sells. So once you find a dropshipper, you pretty much know that all the other items are dropshipped. So what you can do is now go in here, copy this, paste it onto eBay, and now find other dropshippers, right? Ooh, this guy has 12 people watching. Is he good? Let's see. And it's another seller. It's another seller. So copy and paste onto my sellers list. So it gets a lot easier when you find a dropshipper. You'll find more. Walmart. Yes. Yes. To be determined, right? To be determined. And next one, let me say. This guy must be a dropshipper too. That's his mobile. Same thing. Validate by going down here, description. I'll say same thing from Walmart, which is right here. You see that? Same thing. So add that to my dropshippers list. Walmart dropshipper. Yes. Alright. Next. Keep going down. Is dropshipper. Save the lists. Keep going down, guys. More dropshippers and more dropshippers and more dropshippers. Copy and paste. And that's the name of the game, guys. You go on, you look up anything, like I said, a dresser. You reverse look at it, search it on Google Images, and then either that or copy and paste the description on the Google search engine. You'll find the source, and once you know it's good, or it's the same item on eBay, they're a confirmed dropshipper. You find more dropshippers, and you build a sellers list. And then once you're done with your sellers list, you pick at all the sellers. Like for me, when I started, I do 1 to 2 hours a day. Go through, anywhere between 2 to 3 to 5 sellers a day. And I would mark them as, like I said, not a good seller, good margin, negative margin, or good seller, sorry. And, because he has 10% margin, or good margin, okay margin, negative, so bad seller. So, and like every other month or so, I go back to my notes here and then, look at the sellers and see what else is selling. That's all, guys. I am going to make another video regarding how I go through the sellers list and find good items that they are selling. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and once I do upload that video, I'll let you know. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this, please hit the like button. Or anything else you want to cover, you want me to cover at least, drop a comment. Alright guys, have a good one.